Hi everybody, I'm David and today we are going to talk about the French R and U sound, which are the most difficult sound in French for you English speakers. And I have some special Parisian tips to reach to make them. Let's go! So let's begin with the R sound. So the first thing you have to notice is the difference when you make the R sound with your throat, like in French, and with your tongue, like in Italian or sometimes in Spanish language. In Italian, you make buongiorno with your tongue, buongiorno. But in French, when you say bonjour, you use your throat, bonjour, bonjour. And you have to make and to notice this big difference, because if not, you are not going to sound French. So bonjour. So my tips to reach to make the French R sound is to imagine that you are spitting. Yes, spitting. So let's try. So just keep the first part of the spitting with the sound, and it's matched with the French R. So let's try. So now imagine that you want to pronounce bonjour, 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 bonjour. You wish to do it? Fine. So now let's go for the second sound, which is U sound. The U sound, I know, is really difficult. So the first thing you have to notice is the difference between U and U, U. You hear the difference? If not, watch my lips. Ooh, 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 ooh. If you don't hear the difference or if it's too difficult for you to pronounce the U sound, I have a tips for you. Imagine you are smiling. And now, slowly, you are going to tight your lips to make the U sound, like that. Try it. Easy, you know? So, let's go for the double exercise. Bonjour, 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 and So now, if you want to check if you are the master of the sound and the U sound in French, you have to pronounce the word squirrel, but in French. And the word squirrel in French, it's écureuil. Let's go to pronounce écureuil with me. Écureuil, 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 écureuil. Let's try it and try it and try it again. If you don't reach to make the perfect pronunciation for this word, it's totally normal, because it's gonna take for you a few times. But keep in mind that this word, écureuil, is really one of the most difficult of the French language for you English speaker. So it's totally normal if you are not pronouncing it very well. It's like me for squirrel. I try to pronounce it. I try to pronounce it since many times, but I don't reach to do it perfectly. So it's totally normal. Voila! So now if you have some special question or you want to leave me a message, please write something in the comment section below and I would be glad to answer you in the next video. I say you à bientôt!